Let me see you. Let me see you. With the shoes. The pointed toe shoes. Hey you guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Today we're keeping it real simple, y'all. I'm just trying to get my life back to normal. I've been doing a lot of cleaning already this morning. It is, let me see, it's about to be 1:19. As y'all can see, we've been up since about 9. We've been up since 8:30. But we got up at 9 out of bed and I started cleaning and doing laundry. I've already washed 2 loads, folded 3 loads. So I think I'm on a pretty good pace so far. I didn't expect to get so much done, like not filming. I wanted to film more of my day, but it just kind of happened. You know, I started putting in some work cleaning up. So I want to show you what I've done so far. So this is where I would do all of my Halloween looks. So I had all of my makeup on this table for literally the past 2 months. So I've been working on clearing this out and getting all of that stuff back into our bedroom over here where it goes. So that's what I did this morning. It looks beautiful. I should have showed y'all. I know I should have showed y'all the before, but anyways, here is it, nice and beautiful and clean. I know it still kind of looks like a little bit of cluttered, but I just have so much stuff. I do need to like go in here and unclutter that because I don't need all of that out. Yeah, I just have so much makeup, y'all. Like, it's even makeup stuff over here. So Mama, say hi. Say hi. Un besito. So that's basically what we're doing today, y'all. I'm gonna be watching either some type of crime stuff or horror movies because I'm just still in like my Halloween, you know, like usually, I'm not gonna lie, once Halloween ends and November starts, I'm ready to tear down the Halloween stuff and put up my Christmas stuff. But since I was so occupied like doing Stinaween, I didn't really have time to like enjoy Halloween. I didn't have time to like watch any scary movies. So since Halloween, I've literally been waking up and watching like it. Yesterday I watched all of the Conjurings. I don't know why, but I'm not over Halloween yet. So I've still been watching scary movies. I'm trying to pack up Halloween today and get it in the storage closet. That way I can get ready for Christmas. I'm not gonna put the Christmas stuff up right away just because I kind of want to do like a really good deep clean of everything before I put up more decorations, because when you have a child, there's just crumbs in places you didn't know crumbs could be. So yeah, I have to go through and clean everything and get everything nice and shiny for Christmas. So that's the vibe today. If you are new to my channel, feel free to subscribe. I post videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I suggest you stick around, subscribe, and enjoy the vibes. So next thing I'm going to be tackling is this backdrop right here. This is my Halloween backdrop. I've got to bring it all down and start packing it away. This bin right here is like all of my Halloween props, makeup, all of that stuff. Other than my face paints, I don't put those in there. I keep them out all year. So all of this stuff I have to take down and it has to go into this box. That way I can get it into the storage with all the other Halloween stuff. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So let's do it. Here, Marley, take this over there.
Nothing. What are you doing? Hmm? You're not doing nothing. What you doing? Hmm? What are you talking about?
You talking to you, Daddy?
Hey, I can't hear you.
Let me see.
I'm on mute.
You have it on mute. Wait.
Walmart. Walmart. What are you doing? Hey, baby.
Let me see. Give Daddy kissy.
Kisses. Mwah.
Besito.
Mwah. Nothing. What are you doing? Oh, yeah. Got kisses? Say, mwah. Oh, thank you, baby. Huh? You told Mama, you said give him one? You told him? What you doing?
What's up? It's a brand new day. It's the next day. I didn't quite get done everything that I wanted to get done yesterday, so today is literally just gonna be like a continuation. I'm already sweating. I'm already hot. I look a mess because I've been washing dishes and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. I guess I'm gonna go, I don't know if I should take down like all of the Halloween stuff and put it here on my table and then go get the box, or if I should, let me just go get the boxes. I'm trying to avoid going into the storage because I just organized it really nice and I don't want to mess it up. Let me show y'all. Look at how beautiful this looks. I know it may not look that organized right now, but you should have seen how it looked before. Stuff was everywhere. And now it's nice and neat, packed away. I know where everything is, so I need this Halloween box. I think this is a Halloween box too. I try to label them on all sides so that I don't have to be turning the boxes around. You see, I know that's Christmas, that one's Christmas, Valentine's, this is my Christmas tree. So I believe I need these two for Halloween, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab those. This box is actually Easter. It says it right here, Easter. So I find it really odd that all my Halloween stuff fits in there, but maybe it does. So let's go see. Look at this child. Jesus. Okay, so in this Halloween box that I pulled out from my closet, I had all of my outside. That light just saved y'all's life. Oh my goodness. Guess what I'm gonna do is just bring everything to this table and then start packing it up. So what I'm gonna do is, this is where I keep all of my decorations and stuff like that, but there's some stuff that I need to take out of here to put back in my house. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of craziness, a lot of swapping around. Let's do it.